Alright guys, let's break down the ingredients for Pininyahang Manok. Here's the carrots, bell pepper, potato, chicken, onion, garlic, pepper, fish sauce, milk, pineapple. In a hot pan, put oil. Then fry the chicken. Cook it until it has nice color. Fry the carrots. Then potatoes. In a pot, put oil of your choice. Sauté the onion. Garlic. Then put the pre-cooked chicken. Put water. If you have pineapple juice, you can use that instead of water. Then the fish sauce and pepper. Cover with lid, then let it simmer until the chicken is cooked. Once it simmers, put the pineapple. Mix, then cover with lid. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you use pineapple juice, then no need to add sugar. Put a bit of salt to balance everything. Adjust according to taste. Add the potatoes, carrots, and bell pepper. Stir, then cover and cook the veggies. Add milk or evaporated milk. You can add more milk if you want it creamier. Cover, then let it simmer for 5 minutes. And it's done! Pair it with white rice. Then top with spring onion for garnish. Enjoy!